Hello YouTube, this is Rex425 and I am just making a video review of the Strike TE mechanical keyboard from Catz. It is a tournament edition keyboard, so super durable, comes with a optional palm rest and has 30 key rollover as well as anti-ghosting features enabled on the keyboard. Also it has their own mechanical switches. Catz kind of made their own brand of mechanical switches to go with this keyboard. Too bad it's not a Cherry MX switch keyboard, which would have significantly bumped up the price of this keyboard, considering that this is a relatively inexpensive option for a tournament edition type keyboard. There are some really expensive other options out there, so this is really a good product for the price. This was 99 bucks on Amazon, so it was a really good deal. I kind of shopped around before I made my purchase with that keyboard, and a lot of other things were kind of in the same price range. The things that were in the same price range just didn't look as cool, and a lot of other $100 keyboards weren't mechanical. So even like the Black Widow, the Razer keyboards, that mechanical keyboard started out at $129. So again, this is a $99 keyboard, so I got better bang with the buck, and it looks extraordinarily better than that of a Razer keyboard, or some of the other ones that are out there right now. So I was currently using a Logitech keyboard. It was kind of an entry-level gaming keyboard, not mechanical, not none of that. So without further ado, this is the actual keyboard that you get when you take it out of the box. It has a kind of a red outlining to it. It's kind of like a fancy sports car almost, the way it looks. It's very shiny. It's a glossy material, so it will get fingerprints on it, so you will be cleaning it often. It has the satisfying clicky sound whenever you put your hands on it and press the keys. And so these are the macros. There's a macro bar right here, and there's also a Windows lock switch. So if you're playing a game or you're in an application and you don't want to hit that Windows lock switch, turn it on, and then as you can see, nothing happens. So that's just one of the many features of this keyboard. You can have this macro bar right here set. You can set different macros to each key, and then you can press this mode button. There's 3 different modes, so there's plenty of room for macros and programming as far as that goes. Right here there's some more macro switches right here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you got 5 extra keys right here for setting your setting different macros. As well as it has a lighting feature where you can only illuminate the Y side or the arrows, or you can illuminate either or. You can totally mix and match and do it the way you want to. I wish it would have had just different colors that you could light it up, but it's only white on the backlight. I wish it would have had different color backlights on it, but it is what it is. I mean, it's a $99 keyboard, so you kind of get what you pay for as far as that goes. But it's a really heavy and sturdy keyboard. This palm rest is optional, so you can kind of detach it, and that's the bottom of it. You can detach it, throw away the keyboard. I mean, throw away the keyboard. Throw away the palm rest if you want, and just use the keyboard as it is. And it's kind of got a cool little handle right here. So overall, very sturdy keyboard, very solid option for a $99 price point. So I've been using it for about a good month now, so I haven't had any problems with it. It comes with a software where you can program all these different macro buttons too, similar to the mouse. I have this is the MMOTE, so I can do a video review on that some other time. So this is always like, rate, subscribe if you like my video. I didn't really see a whole lot of other reviews out there on this keyboard that were in English, so I decided to make one. So if you liked my video, please comment down below and give me some feedback. Thank you.